Chief Sharad Pawar has visited Sunetra Pawar at her residence. What we are being told by party sources is that as long as Sunetra Pawar remains the national president of NCP Ajit Pawar faction, there are no talks of a merger with any other party. It is noted that the national president takes the final call on such decisions, and according to party insiders, no reunification discussions are currently underway at present. These are the latest inputs that we are bringing to you. Sunetra Pawar, in fact, having a meeting with the Pawar patriarch Sharad Pawar. As you can see, Parth Pawar also in attendance. But remember, this meeting is happening at a time when Sunetra Pawar has been appointed as the first deputy chief minister, as a woman of Maharashtra. And Ananya Gupta brings us more details. She's joining me on the broadcast. In fact, take us through what are you learning from party sources? Why are they now ruling out these reunification rumors that had been doing the rounds?
Right. So Sharad Pawar held a late night meeting in Baramati along with Sunetra Pawar and her two sons. As of now, what we are hearing from our sources is there were no talks of reunification held as of now. We are hearing that talks were held on Ajit Pawar's memorial, final decisions on Ajit Pawar memorial, on where the memorial will be built, how it will be built. Discussions were held on that, and also maybe on the Zilla Parishad elections, on, fighting the elections. But what we are hearing is there were no talks of reunification in the meeting that was held last night. There was Sharad Pawar met Sunetra Pawar, her two sons, Parth Pawar, Jay Pawar. Unification talks were not held, but talks, many people are visiting the Pawar family to pay condolences after the demise of Ajit Pawar. Discussions happened on that, people coming and meeting them. But as of now, reunification talks have been put on hold, after Sharad Pawar came out in the open and said that he was not consulted, or he did not know that Sunetra Pawar was taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Right. Unification talks had been put on hold, and as of now, but we're hearing that a meeting was held last night, but unification or reunification of the two factions was not discussed.
All right. Many thanks to Ananya for bringing us all those inputs on that breaking news story.